Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Patrick. Today I'm going to show you the last operation of any database operation, that is delete of a record from database. So let's get into it. Let me switch to Windows 10. Okay, so this is the icon that we are going to use. It's a delete record icon. So let's look at the web page, and this is the button. All right, delete record. Right. Okay, so we are going to engage this JavaScript. Okay, a JavaScript function. All right, so we are going to write a JavaScript function. Okay, right over here, function do delete. All right, so but we need a confirmation dialog before it really deletes the whole record. Okay, we are going to use this UIKit standard dialog, confirmation dialog. Okay, so this will pop up a beautiful confirmation dialog. Let's say we are going to you should continue, something like that. So probably you make the font a little bit larger. Okay, all right, so so if the user click yes, then we are going to do something. We are going to delete the record, right? So we are going to do an Ajax call. We're going to copy over here, and we're going to put it here. Okay, so we will have this as do delete post, and yeah, we need the ID. Okay, this is a record ID. Okay, so we in the function call, we need to pass in the record ID do delete. Okay, so it's going to be same here. Okay. All right, so we pass in ID over here. Okay, ID over here, and we are going to post it to this file for deletion. Okay, when it gets back from the script, PHP script, we are going to, let me see whether it has it here or not. All dialogues, right? Okay, we can rewrite that. So I'm going to try to split it, and it S0 equals to 1. All right, so we are going to refresh the window. Okay, if S0 is equals to 0, it's a failure. So we are going to display the error. Okay, okay, we're going to display the error. So we need another file, new file. Okay, we will name it as do delete. Remember the file? Okay. All right, so we're going to include the MySQL script, the MySQL connection script. Okay, so we're going to get the post variable. All right. this is important. So to make the script a little bit safer, we need to do this, although it's only one parameter. Okay, we get in the ID and we start building the script. So delete, so the SQL statement is delete from student where ID equals to ID, is it? Okay, and execute the query and check whether the query is successful or not. Otherwise, right, is successful, then just simple record deleted, something like that. So if not successful, then actually we just need to, but we are putting some error message, or we will not display the error message. Sorry, for this we will not display the error message. Remember, we are going to refresh the page. For this, we will display the error, deletion failed, something like that. Okay, all right. Okay, with that, let us test the script out. Okay, we're switching to this page and make a refresh. Okay, so let us add a new dummy record. Okay, 000, something like that. This is the dummy record, right? So we are going to save it, and this is the dummy record. We are trying to delete this. Okay, delete it. Okay, click it. See, this is a confirmation dialog. Okay, so if you cancel, then it will do nothing. If you click OK, it will delete the record. Okay, that's it. All right, thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please hit the like button, share my video, and also subscribe to my channel. Turn on all notification. All right, thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.